formula right here will show you how to convert leads into high-paying clients just using the power of LinkedIn. Done right, this one will make you rich. How rich, you say? So rich that you're no longer related to common people or even your previous self. In fact, you barely even recognize who you once were. But that's just something you have to learn to deal with. I've been using a simple, effective method that anyone can build to create wealth, and it's all happened on your LinkedIn profile. It's an 8 touchpoint formula that I'm about to share the whole thing with you. Why is it important, Salina, you might ask? Most people misunderstand the intention of your LinkedIn profile. They either don't know how to use it or they are unfocused. They make it a bit of a resume or a little bit of Facebook profile or a little bit of a business brochure. Converting leads into high-paying clients, meaning using your LinkedIn profile as a funnel. But really, I think of it as more like an opportunity magnet than a funnel. Don't just funnel in new leads, attract them. So what exactly is a LinkedIn business funnel? Okay, but being serious, first, let's clarify what we mean by a funnel. In the realm of LinkedIn, it's so much more than a digital resume. Instead, it's a strategic tool for attracting and converting those high-paying clients that will ultimately be helping you buy that castle in Luxembourg. So what's not to do? Let's talk about some common mistakes or podium for top 3 things not to do are: number 1, treating it like a boring resume where you're just listing qualifications and telling people things they already know. Number 2, being unclear, confusing your audience with messaging that doesn't really get straight to the point. What you do, who is your target audience, and how exactly you can help. Number 3 is making it so difficult for people to take action. Don't be afraid to take your viewers' hands to say, hey, this is what you need to do next. Now that you've known these common pitfalls, here's what you should focus on instead. Number 1, make sure anyone who visited your LinkedIn profile understands exactly what you do within 8 seconds. Why 8 seconds? You might have heard me say this before. Studies show that the average human attention span is just 8 seconds. And get this, ironically, a goldfish outdoes all of us with 9 seconds attention span. So make sure anyone who visits your LinkedIn profile immediately grabs what you do within that critical window. Number 2, don't just list out all your qualifications. Present yourself as a solution to a problem and offer valuable insight for free. This approach not only highlights your expertise but also builds trust, showcasing why you're the go-to professional. Pair this with a powerful call to action to keep your viewers engaged and ready to take the next step. Number 3, use your LinkedIn profile to narrate your personal brand story in a way that resonates emotionally and motivates your visitor to take action. Hey, your journey, your lesson learned and challenge along the way, and achievements are what create a strong connection between you and them, and transforming your LinkedIn profile visitor into active followers, then into credit card hot and ready clients. It's that simple. So now, got your LinkedIn profile polished and primed? Great. Let's turn that polish into profile. Say hello to HubSpot ebook, The New Secret of Marketing and Sales Orchestration Success. This ebook is your ticket to stay ahead of the curve. It uncovers 3 pillars of creating remarkable B2B buying experiences packed with insight, data-driven strategy that give you the same 99% edge in the B2B buying landscape. Personally, I find pillar 2, collaborative communication, particularly helpful for my very own business. When marketing and sales team are really in sync with their messaging to potential customers, it's like they're setting the stage for a smoother conversation. Think of this. You know when you keep seeing the ads for a super hot gadget like the Apple Vision Pro right now, and then a friend tells you all about it, and suddenly you are way more interested because you feel familiar, right? That is exactly what happens when marketing and sales team work together. If someone been seeing cool stuff from marketing, they are 19% more likely to chat when the sales team reaches out. It's like warming up the crowd before the main act hits the stage. Simple, but super effective. That's so much more juicy tips inside this ebook, so go ahead and grab yours. I put in the description for you to download your free copy. It's a great guide for entrepreneurs, small business owner, and show how you can boost marketing generated revenue by over 300%. This resource was made by HubSpot, who is sponsoring this video. Thank you so much, HubSpot. Now, here's my 8 touch points formula for your LinkedIn business profile funnel. It's based on how people discover a brand new LinkedIn profile, aka you. Touch point number 1, your LinkedIn activities, which is engagement, content, and updates. If a fully optimized LinkedIn funnel falls into the woods, does it even make a sound? That's right. You need the eyeballs on your LinkedIn profile to make it matter. To stand out, you need to engage with your fellow industry leaders, expert, your connection in your space, in your niche. Not sure where to start? I got you, boo. Check out this video right here. It's the LinkedIn growth strategy, 15 minutes a day only to grow your LinkedIn without spending hours a day. Yes, engaging is one of the most underrated yet most effective growth strategy on LinkedIn. Seriously, this is how your LinkedIn profile will get discovered. Look right here. When you are on your LinkedIn homepage, aka the newsfeed, seeing this person comment on this post, this creates this instant network effect. And don't forget to consistently share valuable content and optimize your profile for maximum visibility. Touch point number 2, your LinkedIn profile photo and headline. Going back to your newsfeed right here, when your new audience discover you on LinkedIn, the first thing they see is your profile photo and headlines. First impression really matters. Mix yours count, but clearly conveying how you can solve your audience problems. Remember, even though it's your LinkedIn profile pictures and headline, it's not about you. It's about your audience and how you can help them. Touch point number 3, visit your LinkedIn profile. Getting your point across quickly is critical, especially on the social media network. In fact, when it comes to LinkedIn, you've got about 8 seconds before you lose a lead's interest. We talked about that before. If you don't hook them with the right bait. So craft a clear value proposition that sets you apart from your competition. Nobody should left wondering, wait, what exactly do you do? Touch point number 4, view your cover photo. Up to 48% of LinkedIn members decide whether to follow you based on your cover photo alone. I know, shocking, right? So go ahead, create that show-stopping LinkedIn cover photo. Here's some ingredients I teach my clients to include: trust builder, website, mission statement, showcase your product and service, and crystal clear call to action. Of course, I got you, boo. I have this 10 done it for you cover photo template. If you want it, just drop the word template down there and then I will send you a copy so you can get started with your show-stopping copy photo on LinkedIn. Touch point number 5 is check out your feature section. LinkedIn isn't just about direct sales, it's about building relationship. Not only is the feature section is a great way to highlight your accomplishment, but you can also use it to share your personal story. Don't be afraid to highlight authentic posts to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Remember, tell your CEO origin story that will move your LinkedIn profile visitors to taking action with you. Touch point number 6, check out your about section. Your About section is an opportunity to keep more context and details about your business. But remember, this isn't just about you. It's about your audience, their needs, their wants. So keep the focus on how you can fix their problems. Use it to reinforce your value proposition and maybe even tease it to your call to action. Touch point number 7 is to follow you. Your potential clients are surely impressed by now. So make it so easy for them to stay connected by inviting them to follow you. With a strong following comes with a strong influence and fast reach, which leads to sales and even a bigger influence. See where I'm going here? It's a self-propelling cycle. Touch point number 8, inbound DM. Finally, make yourself approachable. Don't be that icy cold supermodel that anyone is scared to talk to at a party. Encourage inbound messages, respond promptly, and follow up with those valuable opportunities. So there you have it, the 8 touchpoint formula to a high converting LinkedIn funnel. Hopefully this demystifies the journey your audience takes from the cold lead to credit card hot and ready clients with you. If you're hungry to get deeper into the nitty-gritty on optimizing your LinkedIn business funnel, check out my personal brand boss program right here and check out all the links in the description below. If there's one thing I shared today get you one step closer to being the CEO you desire to be, then I've done my job right today. If you loved today's video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. That will mean so much to me and my team. And don't go yet, check out this next video, LinkedIn growth strategy, 15 minutes a day only. Click on it and I will see you same time next week. Bye for now.